Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for Chatbot Data Science. To use ChatGPT for Chatbot Data Science applications, you can follow these steps. First is data collection and formatting. Gather a dataset of conversational examples relevant to data science. Format the dataset as a series of conversational exchanges with user and assistant messages. Each exchange should focus on a specific data science topic or questions. Next is data pre-processing. Pre-process the dataset by tokenizing, encoding, and padding the text data. Convert it into a suitable format for training the ChatGPT model. Third is fine-tuning. Fine-tune a pre-trained ChatGPT model on your data science chatbot dataset. Train the model using the pre-processed dataset to adapt it to your specific data science domain. Next is evaluation and validation. Evaluate the performance of the data science chatbot using appropriate metrics like response, relevance, accuracy, or user satisfaction. Validate the model's performance using a separate evaluation dataset and iterate on the fine-tuning process to improve results. Last is deployment. Deploy your data science chatbot using suitable platform and API integration. Make the chatbot accessible to users and ensure it provides reliable and informative responses to data science queries. Continually refine and enhance the chatbot based on user feedback and evolving data science needs. These steps provide a condensed version of the process. Remember that deploying an effective data science chatbot requires careful consideration of the dataset, model training, evaluation, and continuous improvements based on user feedback and evolving data science requirement. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!